You're sitting in a coffee shop, earbuds in, emails piling up. The world's a blur of chatter and clinking cups. Someone walks over, a friend, maybe more. She hugs you, quick, light, barely there. She smiles, waves, and disappears into the crowd. But that hug, it stays. Why? Your mind grabs it, spins it. Was it just friendly? Did it mean something? Why are you even thinking about this? You're not alone. That's what your brain does. It takes a moment, a glance, a touch, and it runs. It builds stories, questions, doubts, until you're exhausted, wondering what you missed, what you should have done, what she meant. A hug isn't just a gesture. It's a mirror, not of her heart, but of your mind, of how you react, how you spiral, or how you can choose to pause. Today, we're walking through 4 types of hugs. Not to decode her, not to win her, but to decode you, to find calm in the noise, to see what happens when you stop chasing answers and just be. If you've ever felt your mind spiral like this, leave a small sign below, not for us to shine, but so this video finds someone else who needs a moment to pause. Let's start with the first hug, the quick one, the distant one. You're at a work event, people milling around. She's there, a colleague, a friend. She leans in, arms barely touch you. A pat on the back, maybe 2. It's over in a second. She's already talking to someone else. Gone. Your mind doesn't let it go. Was she cold? Did you say something wrong last week? You replay that awkward joke you made. You wonder if she's avoiding you. Your stomach twists. Why does this even matter? It matters because your brain hates silence. It wants to fill the gaps, to write a story where there's none. Stoicism teaches us one thing here. You don't control her hug. You don't control her thoughts. You control your response. That's it. A quick hug isn't a judgment. It's not a rejection. It's just a hug. A moment that passed. Let it pause in your mind too. Don't build a castle out of a grain of sand. Don't let 1 second define your worth. Next time it happens, notice the hug. Feel the pat. Smile lightly. Nod. Move on. Not because you're dismissing her, but because you're freeing yourself from the weight of a story that doesn't exist. You're back in that coffee shop. Same day. Different moment. You're waiting for your order. She walks in. Someone you know. Not close, but close enough. She sees you, smiles, comes over. This time, the hug is different. Short, but firm. Her arms wrap around you with intent. A real squeeze. She pulls back. Her eyes linger for a split second. Then, she's gone. Your mind wakes up. That felt warm. Was it just friendly? Or something more? You replay the squeeze. The way her hands pressed into your back. You wonder if you should have said something. Your heart picks up. You're already planning the next time you see her. Stop. This is where you lose yourself. In the spiral, in the need to know. Stoicism asks you to step back, to see the hug for what it is. Not a riddle, not a signal, just a moment. You can't read her mind. You can't guess her heart, but you can be there, fully, without chasing meaning, without building a future that hasn't happened. When she hugs you like that, don't pull away too fast. Hold it a second longer, not to impress her, not to test her, but to feel the moment, her warmth, her presence. Let it exist. Without a story, notice how your body feels, your breath, your heartbeat. Don't judge it. Don't analyze it. Just breath. That's where your power is. In the present, not in the what-ifs. You're driving home now. City lights blur past. Your mind's still on that hug. The firm one, but another memory creeps in. A different hug. A longer one. Warmer. It was after a late night talk. Maybe at a friend's place. The room was quiet. Just you and her. Words had run dry. She stood up, came close, and hugged you. This wasn't quick. Her arms wrapped around you slowly. Her body relaxed against yours. You felt her breath, soft, steady. The world slowed down. No rush to pull away. Her hands rested on your back. Light. But there, when she finally let go, it was gentle, like she didn't want to. Your mind exploded. This means something, right? Your heart raced. Should you say something? Do something? Kiss her? Text her later? You're already 10 steps ahead. Planning, worrying, drowning the moment's calm. This is where Stoicism saves you. A hug doesn't need a purpose. It doesn't need to lead somewhere. It's not a contract. It's just a hug. A moment you shared. You can't control what she feels. You can't control where it goes. But you can control how you hold it. In your mind, in your heart. Don't let the moment slip through your fingers. Not by overthinking, not by chasing, but by being there, fully. When she lingers like that, rest your hand on her back, gently, not to signal anything, just to feel the connection. Breathe slowly, match her rhythm, let the moment stretch, without forcing it to mean something. You're home now, lying in bed, the day's noise fading. But one more hug comes to mind, the kind that feels like a confession. It was different, intimate. She didn't just hug you, she melted into you. Her head rested on your shoulder. Her breath brushed your neck. Soft, warm. Her hands traced slow circles on your back. Time stopped. Your mind screamed. This is it. Say something, do something. Don't let this pass. You felt the pressure. The need to ACT. To make it more. But that pressure, it stole the moment's beauty. Stoicism teaches restraint, not as weakness, but as strength. You don't need to solve the hug. You don't need to define it. You just need to live it, to let it be what it is, without chaining it to an outcome. When she hugs you like that, don't rush. Don't speak. Just be. Feel her breath, her warmth, her presence. As you part, look into her eyes. Smile softly, not to charm, not to push, but to honor the moment. Trust the silence. It speaks louder than words. You're back in that coffee shop. Days later, the world's still loud. People rush by, but you're different. A hug lingers in your mind. Any hug, quick, firm, warm, intimate. It doesn't weigh you down. It feels lighter. A hug isn't a puzzle. It's not a test. It's a moment to notice, to feel, to let pass. You don't need to know what she meant. You don't need to chase what's next. You just need to be present, calm, whole. Tomorrow, when the world feels loud, come back here. Not to learn, not to fix, just to pause, to breathe, to find that stillness again. Until then, stay simple, stay still.